welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And I have a situation on YouTube, so I'm a kid, right? Y'all know that. But like, when I was trying to live and get help from my parents to get a phone number and then get hit the password thingy, or was it code? Yeah, it was code. And I couldn't when I put in the code 0906 something something, it check put a check mark on it, and then I got sent to something that said it will be coming in 24 hours, and I can't wait tomorrow. I couldn't even wait, so that's my situation. That I was almost like wheezing, whining, yeah, something like that. Cause I couldn't even wait for the live to start. Cause I have an exam, freaking tomorrow. And yes, I'm not sure if I could wait that much. Cause I would be out with the whole day. And yep, that's just it. I don't wanna wait anymore. So I'm not gonna be uploading tomorrow too much, cause Philippines. I'm in the Philippines, and I'm having an exam tomorrow in class, cause for some reason we need to get teaching, right? I'm grade 2 right now, so the exams are gonna be hard. It's Filipino, and GMRC. Freaking Filipino and GMRC. And that's all I have to say. Bye.